Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 13th, 2021. We are going to give you all a price prediction update for Li Auto. It's been a while. We're going to look at the price chart to see where price is going to go so that we can get in position and win. We're also going to show you all one of our portfolio plays, Currencies, and how the market exploded on yesterday's trading day, how it actually came to our ultimate TP price. And for us, once it does that, we don't get greedy. We simply take the profit and go, right? So if you want to continue to learn how to read the markets all without being confused, I would recommend that you hit the like button, share, subscribe, and watch these videos continually so that you can learn for yourself where the market is going to go in the future so that you can win against the trap. All right. So let me show you all our portfolio real quick. And we are finally seeing some of the green on our stocks within our portfolio, namely the ones that are within the commodity space. You know, Southwestern Energy is up 8%, and Antero Midstream is finally giving us some profitability to the upside. Now, will that continue? We'll talk about that over the weekend. But the one I want to show you all today is Currencies. We're up 34.02%, and this is the chart right here. Okay. We've been following this particular stock all the way back here since the week of March the 15th, 2021. And we've established that the market support in Currencies right there around $9, that we was going to continue to ride this play until the market broke that to the downside, and it never did, right? It maintained that $9 support area, which is why we was able to capitalize on the price movement on yesterday. So we're going to get rid of that right here in our portfolio. So the next time you see our portfolio, we're not going to have this listed within our basket of stocks. All right, we're going to take the profit and go. Why? Because it exceeded our ultimate TP price, right? It came in, did what we told it to do, or at least it went to where we expected it to go. So now it's time to walk out, take the bag, and move on. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all that. I'm not going to get rid of it now because I'm going to do another video and speak on this portfolio so that anyone who watches our videos can always see that we are being fully transparent and that they can also track what's going on in our portfolio. All right. So now let's take this back over to Li Auto real quick. And this is it. You guys can tell we also did a price prediction in the market in Li Auto back here on April the 13th, right? And we played the weakness all the way back in April that the market in Li Auto was weak, and it has exceeded our expectations. We expected the weakness to come down towards at least $20, and look where we're at right now, $17.80. So if anything, 8.25% profitability, or if you were to get out right now in Li Auto, 18.5. So we knew that. So we're not surprised that many of these stocks are going lower. We were already under that whole premise since April, at least in Li Auto, that the market was weak. So congratulations to you. Let's get rid of it. That is old. We move on and predict where price is going to go now, because this is actually the market sentiment. You know, these charts do not deceive us. The only ones who deceive us are those who try to tell you to continually buy the dips, and those who tell you to continue to buy these stocks, right? When clearly, when you see Li Auto, this market action is not telling you to buy it. We continue to see this price drop. So why would you come in and buy a product that no one wants? That's ridiculous. This is clearly a stock that is in a downward trend. So we need to follow that. And the second thing that we confirm that the market in Li Auto is in a downward trend and no one wants this stock is because we've broken the trend, right? We broke the trend right there. Let me zoom in for you. This is where the trend of the ascending line was broken. We broke it. That was your clue right there that the market in Li Auto was going to continue to drop. And even here, to where the market tried to break back up above that ascending line, it couldn't do it. That was even more confirmation that Li Auto was going to drop, that the market was still weak. He tells us what the market is going to do right before the market price actually gets there. And the chart is not confusing. Like all of your answers are already on the chart. We all just simply need to interpret it correctly so that we can win, or at least alleviate a lot of the loss that so many people are experiencing in the market today. So we are in a downward trend. We are no longer seeing Li Auto in an upward trend. Okay. So let's create that. Since we know that Li Auto is in a downtrend, we need to create that. So let's take this ascending line away. Okay, so this is it. This is how we're going to track any changes in Li Auto. Okay, this is it. All the way back here since January, this whole year of 2021, Li Auto has been dropping in price. Now, take a look at where the market support is though. Okay, so we've created a basis as to where the trap came in and propped up this price, which is right here, literally to where the market first started trading when it got established on the exchange, back there towards $16. So our focus, okay, is right here, and I'm going to circle it for you. This is where we need to pay attention to what occurs into the market. If we get more strength, then we know the market's going to bounce from the support area of $16 and go higher. If we get more weakness, then we now know that the market is going to break that support area of $16 to the downside. That's it. Okay, so let's see this on a different time frame real quick. Let me zoom in, because currently we are seeing that market confirm that the area of support is being established right now. 3-day time frame, pretty much the same thing. The volume, high volume on this current 3-day price bar indicates that we have found some individuals in the market trying to purchase and prop up this price. That is what this high volume symbolizes, because we haven't seen this much volume in Li Auto since maybe the beginning half of April, right? So this is a probable precursor to strength, which literally lets us know that the market in Li Auto needs to close higher on this next current 3-day price bar above the last one. That's it. Let's check this out on the 5-day time frame. And again, this is what we're seeing. Okay, so in actuality, I'm not seeing a lot out the market in Li Auto right now. We are going through a transformational phase to where the market is trying to create support. That's it. This is not the start of a bullish run. This is not the start of seeing the market break down. We have to go through all of this initial trading that occurred back in 2020. We have to go through all that first. And as it does that, we'll have better and clearer pictures as to what the market is anticipated to do. Okay, so now, obviously, I like the volume that is coming through on that support area. Kind of lets me know that we are finally seeing some buyers trying to come through the market in Li Auto, but it doesn't mean that we're out the woods yet. It just simply means that we need to be on guard. We are seeing some changes occur in the market in Li Auto, but it doesn't mean that we're completely out the woods. All right, so when I complete this video, I want you all to tell me, where do you all think the price in Li Auto is going to go? Do you think we're going to continue to see the market go lower, or do you think we're actually going to hold the support area and actually see this price go higher? Because this market is being tested, and when the market is being tested, for us, we don't come in and participate. We wait until we get more confirmation that the market actually has created this firm area of support. And right now, it just started. So on this particular video, we are simply going to sit the sideline. Like, this is how you're able to be more rational in what you're seeing in the price chart. You don't have to jump in at every spur of the moment. The market will always be here. And now we kind of see what the trap is trying to do. He's trying to create some areas of support. So we're going to sit back, watch, give us a couple more ideas that is what he's trying to do, and then we'll jump in and ride the market higher. But as of right now, it doesn't need to be touched. We're still in a downtrend. Okay, So that is what we're going to do. Now it's your turn. You can drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, what do y'all expect this price to do in Li Auto? For us, we're not expecting a lot. We're sitting the sideline. We got our eyes open on that support area. And if we get more strength, then we'll come in and do another video expecting this price movement to go higher, because I do see right here that this area will be restriction, okay, on the next leg higher. So that's it. Drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, what would you all do in terms of getting in position for Li Auto? Where do y'all expect this price to go? Because we're not going to touch it right now. We're just going to simply let the market work itself out, let the trap handle his business, and as he continues to drop this knowledge and information on the chart, we'll jump back in and participate. But right now, time to stay away. Now I want you all to tell me, what do you all think though? Drop the comment in the comment section and let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.